Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, just off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2021 Scout 330 LXF. Starting off with the boat's exterior, full white hull with the Midnight Edition package, and notice the matching black rub rail and black scrub rail, so really nicely completes that black accent to go along with the powder coating on the inside and the black motors. Double-stepped hull technology with Scout's S-Class, 33 feet and up. Notice the huge Carolina bow flare, really sharp looking boat. And now let's walk you through the inside. Starting off here in the cockpit, you notice we have a really nice double wide stern seat, high backrest, cup holders on either side. Stows away nice and clean when you want it out of the way if you're doing any fishing. You have a nice padded bolster on this back end. Just forward, we have access to our bilge area or our systems access. You can see everything is really well appointed and laid out, all finished out, all smooth edges, no rough fiberglasses, easy to get to everything, easy to keep clean. We have 2 fish boxes on either side of the boat. These do pump out. Undergunnel rod storage on both sides as well. Also a good space for deck brush and things such as that. Check out this cockpit door. Look at the girth of this hardware. Really big, oversized door. Has a magnetic catch to keep it open. That also gives me a designated access in and out of the boat and a really nice full walk across along the transom with the Aztec material faux teak. While we're here, we do have an automatic flushing system for our twin outboards. And the boat is powered by twin Mercury 300 Verados. These are V8 4.6 liter motors. Power steering is standard. Really quiet, smooth. Makes the boat a real pleasure to operate and really gets up on plane quickly. Moving here to the utility area, we've got a nice faux Corian countertop, stainless steel basin sink, freshwater sink, 2 cup holders, cutting board, and we have a mini fridge to hold drinks or some lunch. Beneath that, we have a slide-out 65-quart Yeti cooler that is on tracks and stows away really nicely. Coming over here to the port side, we have both raw and fresh water. We have a standard live well, rod holders along the back. Got 8 total back here. Pop-up cleats that recess. And then, love this dive door on the 330 LXF. Look at how oversized that dive door is. Check out the hardware. We've got a area to mount a ladder so we can get in and out of the boat easy if we're anchored out. Got a space for the kids to jump off board. Ladder is stowed here. Moving forward a little bit, so you'll notice we have the Midnight Edition on this otherwise white hull boat. So all the powder coating is black on the hardtop frame, the rocket launchers. We have the deluxe stereo upgrade on this boat. So we have JL speakers, 2 subs forward beneath the helm, and an amp as well. Here on the port side, we have 3 pull-out storage drawers, tackle storage, all on a soft close. Coming forward to the helm, got some storage up into the hardtop. Notice we have a moonroof here. This does have a powered fiberglass retractable roof, so you can shade the cockpit area and also gives you a moonroof type feel above. We've got twin captain's chairs at the helm. You'll notice that the bolsters adjust. They raise and lower so your driver can lean while your passenger comfortably sits. We've got armrests, a center console that has storage beneath, little glove box storage. Also serves as a nice armrest with plenty of room for both the driver and the passenger. But this is a very comfortable helm setup, whether you're standing or you're leaning. I have an angled footrest for my feet in a seated position. Likewise, I can bring up this bolster, and I've got a nice comfortable area when I'm standing. Bring down the cover for the electronics. We have 2 12-inch screens from Garmin. Digital start and stops for those Mercury outboards. We do have a bow thruster on board. Zip wake system for our trim tabs. Cup holders, we have AC at the cockpit and down at the helm. Runs off an inverter system. Another glove box with some charging ports for your cell phones down here. Of course, this is all digital throttle and shift with those Mercuries. Got an upgraded Edson steering wheel on an adjustable tilt. Steering knob, nice comfortable backing. All of our switching is going to be through the Garmin, so it's very clean. You don't have any buttons occupying the dash, but you do have some redundancy here for some of your major items as well. VHF, that's a 315 IAS VHF is mounted up there. Battery charger on board. Come down into the head. Big, oversized, heavy, very solid door. We'll peer down in there. Access to systems that are on the back side of the console. You've got a self-contained porcelain head with its own holding tank. Again, this space is air-conditioned. 12-volt AC. It has an inverter system. I'm just climbing down in here to give you an idea of headroom. So we've got probably 6 foot, 6'2" of headroom. I'm 5'10". We do have a convertible area here. So we've got a filler cushion that's stowed forward. This sets in right here and converts this little social area to a sleep or otherwise, but great place to do some quick overnighting, or if you need to get the kids out of the rain or the sun, you got plenty of space to do that as well. Nice, soft, solid close. Coming forward, more speakers, storage here with some non-skid material. JL speakers continued. Big storage that's drained. Great place to throw some ice to have drinks on both sides. You've got a Fusion stereo remote here. This is a powered convertible table. Remote is here, so this goes up and down. It's all the way in the down position now. Otherwise, it comes fully flush, so I can make this a sunbed, and it comes all the way up for cocktailing. Big chase lounge forward with adjustable armrests, 2 cup holders, plenty of space for lounging. And notice this seat is beneath the gunnels, so you're nice and protected, even though you're a little bit more elevated. We've got storage beneath the chase lounge, another ladder. So there's a ladder for both the port side dive door and also at the transom. This is the filler cushion for that powered bow table, so that converts that space into a full sunbed. Drop this chase down. You notice that we do have a forward spreader light built into the hardtop. Further forward here, we have storage that's repeated beneath all of these seats, both port, starboard, and in the center line. Lastly, regarding the interior, this is the Macella interior from Scout. So it's a 2-tone cayenne and tan interior. This tan material is an ultra vinyl, so it's really super soft, really comfortable. But otherwise, got a nice angled, molded in backrest, comfortable height for the grab rail, plenty of space. Someone who's 6'5" can comfortably lounge up here. We do have rod holders forward, so you can do a bow sunshade kit. It's ready for it. Shade off this area if you're beached, moored, or anchored. And windlass anchor up here, of course, with controls up here on the foredeck in addition to what you have at the helm. And that's a look at Scout's 330 LXF 2021 model. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're just off Daniel Island. Take exit 23A off 526. We're the big yellow building right off the highway. You can't miss us. And always check us out on marinemax.com. Thank you.